Put your trust in me, my love, and I'll endure your struggles and ease your heart-wrenching concerns. Give me all of your issues, even the ones you feel are too big for you to manage, and tell me about the tough choices you've had to make in those situations. Seeing as there doesn't seem to be an obvious way forward, watch as I untangle and fix them. Your unwavering faith in me is the catalyst for a profound and transformative experience. Those who disregard, neglect your efforts, and place unjustifiable obstacles in your way, you don't deserve any respect. Recognize that you are currently standing tall by your side is not a status symbol for me. Rather, I am a motivating force that will encourage you to move forward even if your adversaries try to frighten you. You have to keep in mind that they have no power over your destiny. You are safe and secure in my tender arms, and I am here to help you. Your deepest worries are my guiding compass, taking you from the darkness into a peaceful place. And abundant, I am able to support you, bear your burden, and calm your worries. Forever leaves you alone, knowing that I'm always there to support and assist you. Safe if you maintain your steadfast faith in me, I'll extend my assistance. Please donate us $100 to support us. You will discover the path, the realities, and the purpose of life from within yourself. I am the doorway that leads to a world of blessings and goodwill. Open this portal to discover the abundance and bliss your soul yearns for, regardless of how challenging your past has been. Opportunities are now presenting themselves to you, and I'd like to challenge you with something that transcends this world and your suffering. New beginning, a purpose-driven, rebellious, and resentful life, so that my love and their whining is less important when forgiveness flows through you like a soothing current that brings rejuvenation and repair. They ought simply just cease to exist and welcome this time of renewal and transformation. And let me strengthen you so that you can bear less weight and transition into a new situation more readily. A day full of successes and accomplishments depends on tenacity and alcohol. Up, my love, and cease allowing other people's critiques to affect you. The ability to forgive and give people who have harmed you another chance to repent and grow into better people. And more understanding, your compass ought to stand for the qualities that will bolster and fortify you. As time goes by, increase your love, forgive those who have offended you, and offer yet another danger to those who have cut themselves off, as anyone could witness the consequences of your acts, because you are inside of me. And I'm within you, my love. Remember that there are people who can relate. You can conquer this mountain, reach the summit, and prevail in the struggle for your way of life with my help. You can accomplish anything you set your mind to in this way of life if you have the strength, and will I grant you. Little one, you have to be persistent and not allow adversity take away your goals and aspirations. The light of hope never extinguishes, not even in the depths of despair. Do not despair, you are not by yourself in this lonely place. Nevertheless, no one ever arrived in the promised land without first having to cross deserts, face challenges, and enduring hardships. Your presence acts as a barrier around me. You never abandon me, and I may be a cool haven from the heat when the sun is blazing, but when night falls, you are always there to support me. May be a pillar of fire that provides you with consolation and illumination as you follow my words. Gently place your trust in me, and I assure you that wonderful things will happen, reminding him that my acceptance is sincere within me. I won't bait him into the enemy's ruse where he tries to trick you. Instead, let whether you believe that your way of life lacks motivation depends on your struggles, not your faith. Stay faithful to your commitments, and let my words serve as a shining beacon for you to follow. No matter how hard life gets, contact with me and I'll fulfill your wishes. Find solace in reflection. Prayer, my darling, and allow my words to soothe your spirit as we observe the results of our efforts blossom above your wildest expectations. Victory over all obstacles and worries, making failure a tangible reality. My darling daughter, you have to keep praying to me so that our conversations might wake you up and keep you company. Do not give up on me during the entire night. I will shower you with blessings. Proceed on your journey with the baby without stumbling. Assurance that when my promise of eternal pleasure, contentment, and tranquility materializes, your problems will disappear. My dear, if you keep pushing the expensive one without giving up, you will soon see the fruits of your perseverance. No matter how much you might want to stray from the course I've outlined for you, you must not do so. Do not let difficulties might cloud your vision or reveal the advantages I have assured you of. Your current situation does not determine what lies ahead for you, rather it is a sign of the amazing thing that is going to happen in your life. Therefore stay going, since every step brings you closer to the advantages you desire. You possess an ability. Things will bring you prosperity and advantages in the future. So don't let, even when you're going through difficult days, don't let what you see or hear depress you. Acknowledge as true what I have driven out of your religious pressure and imagination, and be aware of the challenges, the hardships you face pale in comparison to the magnificent benefits that lie ahead of you. Embrace every obstacle as a springboard to achievement, my darling newborn, and hold fast to your beliefs. Since it gives you confidence in the miracles that will occur, this is the time to recognize the promises I made to you, so replenish your energy and move forth fearlessly. The notion that your path would perpetually be paved with obstacles is a fallacy that you must reject. Remember that you are neither a failure nor a loser, and that envy frequently follows. Pay little attention to the comments of people who wish to share in your good fortune. Instead, ignore them. My love for you is unwavering, and I have the benefit of persevering even in the face of skeptics. Hold on to your beliefs and values and admit their accuracy within me, my love. You have the ability to conquer any hurdle, get over roadblocks, and take advantage of all available chances that currently exist for you. I stand here as a testament to their unwavering affection and fortitude, prepared to give your spirit the bravery to confront the difficulties that lie ahead, no matter how difficult the path may seem. Lengthy and twisty, but keep in mind that I'm here to support you as you go through it and all the challenges life presents. Take a moment to consider the pledge I made to you. I will enable you to walk on water. When you no longer dread the ocean, picture yourself navigating dangerous waters and arid deserts. Because I'll give you the strength to overcome any obstacles that come your way and allow you to feel the consoling. The effect of my heavenly presence is here to comfort. Embrace the embrace of my love that beyond all understanding, and transport you to greater heights. I, the mastermind behind your fate, am etching a road of grace and blessings for you. All you need to do is walk on it with steady steps. Out of fear of failing or uncertainties that could impede your advancement shouldn't stop you from moving forward. Instead, allow me to strengthen and mend the wounds in your heart and erase any thoughts that could make you feel helpless as time goes on, my tiny kid that I am. Transforming you into a lucky and responsible individual who can completely fulfill the lives I have prepared for you. I beseech you, please, never give up on the faith you've placed in me. You must escape the bonds of your past transgressions and future blunders and refuse to be discouraged by the state of the world. Concerns at the moment, since the grandeur and splendor of what is to come cannot be overstated, as I can sense my strength and love when I am a guiding presence in the lives of the individuals I care about. Always a chance to make a fresh start and rewrite your tale with my powerful arms enable me to build a future for you that is greater than anything you could have imagined. Your reliance on my instructions alone, ignoring the advice of others, and understanding the importance of each step you come along with me on this adventure, fully accepting me for who I am. Pay attention to what I say, for it has the knowledge of a clear route that leads there. The idea that the difficulties you are currently encountering are just temporary may provide you comfort if you want abundance and eternal happiness. Preparing you for the glory that lies ahead in all of your endeavors can fortify yourself, grow as a person, and prepare for the truly wonderful destiny that lies ahead. While this may not be too costly for you to travel while keeping your faith in the skills I have given you, remind yourself that nothing is insurmountable and that you are coming closer to realizing your dreams and believing in your aspirations. Goals and the exceptional gifts I've always had in store for you. With each and every move you made, no matter how challenging, you can find the way to ultimate wealth and tranquility if you continue to be strong and determined, my love. Keep your hope up and have trust that I will succeed. I'm always here to listen, so if you still want to, I will bestow upon you a giving nature and several blessings. I can't wait to share the wonderful blessing that I have carefully concealed for you since the day of your birth are the precise representation of my unending love and appreciation for my cherished life. Considers all the details to fulfill your needs and make you happy. That I am able to grant you many blessings and that everything you have ever sought from me is just what you have envisaged to bestow onto you. Nothing can halt the benefits I bring into your life by all I do or say. With reasoning and purpose, so prepare yourselves, for what is going to happen is not a danger, but rather the manifestation of my sincere wish and desire. Drawing for the time being, pain will only be a memory close to you, and grief won't exist in your now. A new generation is emerging, and I swear to fulfill all of my past promises to you, even your greatest aspirations. Your most ambitious dreams will all come true, since I'm shaping you into a wealthy and a prosperous individual, placing you in the forefront of the group as opposed to the end of life's pursuits. All that has occurred is not accidental, it may have been the intended result. Because your relentless search for my holy word and your unshakable dedication has not always been simple, there were moments when you disregarded my advice and discovered who you wandering aimlessly. But your future splendor would rise above it like the morning. The sadness of previous benefits, achieving considerably more than you could have ever anticipated. Your generosity and support for the sick and impoverished has not gone ignored. Despite the obstacles you face, my darling, you will succeed, and everything you've probably accomplished will be useless. Will eventually fulfill your aspirations and objectives, and nothing will be able to stop you from doing so, since I am here to assist you and my blessings have been pouring out to you abundantly as you've accomplished all of your goals. Given that your creation satisfies my divine will, I am able to prolong your existence and raise the worth of your tangible belongings at the same time. My darling child, you will be showered with blessings for all the times you selflessly help me and other people without asking anything in return. Upon your return, remember that I am reviving your spirit. Your vigor and excitement for utilizing all of your spiritual gifts and advantages that your adversary attempted to steal from you in this life are now legitimately yours, so constantly work to move forward, shine brightly, prioritize me, and fulfill the limitless possibilities of the life I have in store for you. Grant me the first moments of every day, And embrace the adventure, moving forward with unwavering conviction and resolve, prepared to witness the benefits materialize in front of you. I am giving you these eyes because of your unwavering devotion and love. Please hold them firmly and do not please let go of my dear kid, and move forward without hesitation on the path to success and prosperity. Come with assurance and tenacity. Never forget that I will always be there for you, holding you close, overcoming any doubts or worries, and moving forward. Going on without fear will ensure that no one brings shame upon you, as I possess the ability to defeat those who are your foes. Furious at my benefits and prosperity for you, and at those who spread lies without remorse, my hand will eliminate those who have rejected the blood that has redeemed them. They have turned against me because they would not turn from their wickedness and avoid people who make untrue allegations, stomping on the picked wheat, demolishing innocent dwellings, and contributing to the spread of tears against their siblings. They degrade with their eyes and their words, disguising their perversities as sound theology. Painting them white gives the impression that they are wolves posing as sheep, so avoid them. Shun them, since they will receive what is due to them for their wickedness. Proceed and remain devoted. Follow my lead on your spiritual journey, and everything will go smoothly, as you should be excited to hear my voice, since my written words are what open the doors to your inner being, so please read this through.